New footage shows how several law enforcement agencies traced a man later identified by police as Victor Tepede across 2 counties on a weekend pursuit that involved multiple carjackings. 28-year-old Tepede was facing manslaughter charges in a Central California man's death when Pittsburgh police encountered him. He escaped that night. The next day, Lafayette police approached a different vehicle reported stolen out of Pittsburgh.
A white truck facing eastbound, right eye of the reservoir.
Police said Tepede bolted in a white truck, driving westbound in eastbound Highway 24 lanes.
Probably about 60 miles an hour. Still right shoulder.
At Old Dam and Fish Ranch roads, Tepede allegedly crashed into an officer's car before he ditched the truck and hopped a retaining wall.
He's running towards the freeway.
Head on into Lafayette. TC, head on into Lafayette unit, look out towards the freeway.
Yeah, we need units on 24. He jumped on the 24. He's running across 24. We're in all green. Just got hit by a car. Need units on 24.
On 24, got hit by a car. Copy code 3 medic. Lafayette unit.
Attempting to carjack a white sedan.
Attempting to carjack a white sedan.
Every unit on 24. He's running up to every car we can.
All units to 24. Where was the head-on with the Lafayette car?
Medical for the Lafayette car. He's forcing entry right now into a car.
Forcing entry into a...
The car is driving off with him hanging off the car. He's entering the tunnel. Left bore of the tunnel. Or right bore of the tunnel.
Copy 215 vehicle, right bore. What's the description on that car?
It's a 4-door white Toyota Highlander. He's in the car. 215 it. He's in the tunnel now.
White Toyota Highlander, 215 it in the tunnel.
White with we lost visual. He's going through the tunnel. It's white with a sunroof.
Police said Tepede made it to eastbound 580 from Highway 13 before exiting at Keller Avenue.
It's not working well. He exited and taking a left on Keller Avenue. Actually taking a left on Keller. Left on Mountain Boulevard for Keller. Now passing Maynard and getting back on west on 380. West on 380 from Mountain Boulevard. Okay, just TC with another car going the wrong way.
Just TC'd with another vehicle.
Again, now he's running across the lanes of traffic, running to the south.
Southbound across 580, Footbill.
He's shedding clothes. He's running southbound up the freeway, the side of the freeway.
Southbound up the side of the freeway, shedding clothes.
There, police monitored him by air until a K-9 unit and officers on the ground closed in and took him into custody.
Contact.
Making contact.
John 20, dog bite.
Copy, dog bite.
Dog contact.
Copy, good canine bite. Was there additional?
He looks like he's still fighting with him.
Copy, units in the physical.
41 Tom, I'm taking him into custody. He and ambulance at the end of the road where all of our patrol units are staged.
Copy, taking him into custody in A-firm, AMR to where the patrol vehicles are.
Tepede was charged with assault with a deadly weapon, 3 counts of attempted assault with a deadly weapon, resisting arrest, carjacking, attempted carjacking, evading arrest, reckless driving, probation violations, possession of stolen property, trying to harm a deputy's K-9, and felony hit and run.
We are going to clear. We have all of that on video, and well done on the ground, fellas.